Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 15th and we're going to look at the results 12 days into this strawberry project. Now these were actually, they came in on the 3rd and we started putting them in the ground, and we'll go through that process. Well, look what I got in the mail today. Quite a few Bareroot strawberries. So I guess I better get these in the ground. These strawberries are Albion. Now I just separate them and just kind of lay them out roughly where I'm going to put them. And I plant these roughly about a foot apart, both directions. So in this row I can make 3 rows, and every foot put a plant. And whenever you plant strawberries, you want to make sure that you plant the crown at the ground. Okay, the crown is this part where the roots come off this way and your green leafy part comes up this way. Now you don't want your roots out of the ground. You just barely put this crown right there at the ground, or maybe just a hair into it. If you plant too deep, it's going to rot. If you plant too high, you're going to dry your roots out and it's going to die. So it's not that complicated. Just put this part about where my thumb is, put that down to that level in the dirt, and then cover it in. Now these roots are long. Don't think you have to dig a hole to that length. I've got my little spade or trowel, and I just open up a hole as deep as it, and then try to work the roots down. If they don't go down, I just take my trowel and I'll push them down a little bit, and then I'll adjust the top where I want it, and then close up the hole. And now, just after 12 days, there's your little update on them. You can see we've got a whole lot of leaves coming on. I'd say there's probably close to 100%. We got one there it's trying to green up. It isn't quite yet, but we've fertilized these. I fertilized them with some 323 organic fertilizer, and then I come back and I gave them some fish emulsion to give them a little start. Now a lot of people always associate nitrogen with plant growth and stop it from fruit and stuff, but I got to tell you, strawberries like a lot of nitrogen. They've got to get a good healthy plant growing, and that way they can start producing, and they'll have a good hardy plant to make the berries. But anyway, that's where we're sitting 12 days after. And I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more, of course, just comment on what you might be interested in. And of course, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Enjoy your garden.